Welcome to Run Run Deals, where we have the deals. You're looking for a deal? You came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds that you can get on Run Run Deals. All you need to do is either go to the Apple Store or Play Store and download the Run Run Deals app. With that being said, let's check out what I have today. All right, you all. So I'm a mom, so I always like 2-for-1s. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, this is something directly from Amazon that Run Run Deals have a coupon for a discounted price. Check this out right here. This is an Echo Glow. Yes, it's the Echo, but it also has a glow in the dark light for your child. Awesome. Let's check it out. All right, you all. So check out this Echo Glow. As you can see, it's the cuteness of the Echo with also a glow to it, so it can be shining at nighttime in your bed. I'm going to go ahead and dim the lights a little bit so you can see what it looks like. Not as dark as it could be, but as you can see, it's going to be that nice bright color that's going to soothe you at night. Awesome Echo. I'm loving it. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's deals. Make sure you stay tuned every week to see the latest. With that being said, why wouldn't you do it?